Hello, my name is Mickaël, and I am a full-stack web developer student in SocraTech. And today I'm gonna show you a project we did. So we had to do a social network for pet owners in Node.js, and here is how I did it. So the first thing I did is to design the database with the entity relationship diagram. So I have two entities, the owner and the pet, and the relationship is one-to-many, as one owner can have many pets, but one pet can only have one owner. And I created it in MySQL. So here we can see the MySQL script with the creation of the database and the two tables. This database is linked to the website using MySQL 2. And let's check out the page. So here is the front page with three main sections. So one that brings you to register, one that brings you to see all the owners, and one that brings you to see all the pets. There is also a small navbar with pet book and home being links to this same page. And there is the owner, the pets, there is a formula to add a pet, and then there is the login and register. Let's start by visiting the owners. Here we can see the owners that are already registered with just the picture, the name, and the button, and a small effect when you put your cursor on it. We can see that this profile, here we can see the details, and we can see that this profile has two pets linked to it. And okay, then another page is the one of the pets with all the pets registered, and same thing, there is a profile page for the pets, and the pets we can edit or delete logically or delete completely so that it's even deleted from the database. And add a pet, that is just a form to add a pet. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to register a user, and it's going to be Ruby something. Okay. She loves horses, and let's put her simple password. And here is Ruby. Now here on the page of the owners, we have Ruby created. Now let's see her profile. And we can see her details, but she has no pets. So let's add a pet. Let's add Titi, that is a horse. He's very big. She has him since 2020, and he belongs to Ruby. Let's grab a picture of a horse. Here we have it. Now, here we have the profile of Ruby with her horse, and you can see that we cannot modify the details of Ruby as we can do it with the pets. That's because she is not logged in. So let's log in as Ruby. Here we are logged in as Ruby, and now we can edit her details or delete her profile. Let's start by editing something. Let's name her Ruby2, and for example change her picture for this one, let's say. And now she's Ruby2 and she has this profile picture. We can also delete logically her profile, which means that if we go to the database, select all the owners, here we have Ruby2. And Ruby2, the column is deleted, is not checked, so it is false. Now, if we delete logically, she is not here anymore. Her pet is not here anymore. And if we go to the database, she is still here, but the owners deleted is true. And we can see in the pets, same here. The column pet is deleted, also true. Now, let's connect to another owner, for example, Mickaël, that has one dog. And this time we're going to see what does the total delete do. So here we delete it completely. It is not here, the dogs is not here. And if we go to the database, here, one animal has disappeared. So it has been completely deleted from the database. And here too, the Mickaël that was here is completely deleted. Now, a small extra that I added is a small search bar that I have here, where you can search animals by species. So, for example, if you look for, I don't know, a lion, you look for it, and here only the lion appears. Or if you look for a dog, only the dogs will appear. And that's it. So now let's see a bit of the code. And so first we have the connection to the database. We, as I said, using MySQL2. And this file is the configuration of the connection. Then we have the different routes that handle the endpoints, the URLs of our page. So all the different endpoints of the pets, the owners, are handled in these files. Then we have the style sheets, the CSS files for the style, and the EJS files that are our views, basically. And in the end, we have the controllers. That is the part where the logic is. And in the controllers, we have all the queries to the database and stuff like that. So let's see, for example, how to edit a pet. So I get the values from the form, and I send them to the SQL. I check if there is any error or no, and if everything is good, I make the query to the database, and I open the the page of that pet. Now, the little extra that I added is this, the search bar, which is very simple actually. It's just another form where I receive the word, and if that word is in the species column in the database, it will get all the animals that have this species and charge the page all pets with this result. And that's basically it. Now, just a little something that I didn't show. The page is responsive. So, for example, here we can see the page, how we would see it in an iPad. Let's go to the home. We can see that it is still very readable. The forums also, or how we would see it in an iPhone, for example. You can see, and now all the pets are take all the space. Everything is readable and usable. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.